Mr. Ravi Sannareddy, dignitaries on the dais, industry representatives from the pharma sector, friends from the media. All on behalf of my minister, Dr. J. Geeta Reddy, I would like to convey her apologies for not being able to be here on time. Today also happens to be the death anniversary of former Prime Minister Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, and she's been called away by the Chief Minister as representative of the district Hyderabad, and they have gone to pay their respects to the late Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, and she'll be joining us directly once that event is completed. I'm just conveying her, regrets for being late. Well, just as a few opening remarks, Andhra Pradesh has been in the forefront of the pharma industry, whether it is low-tech bulk drugs or whether it is high-tech cancer fighting drugs, vaccines. We are also very prominent in vaccines. Large 40% of bulk drug production of the country is from Andhra Pradesh, in and around. We have taken a number of proactive steps to encourage the pharma industry. Mainly, we have the Genome Valley Biotech Park. We have JN Pharma City out there in Vizag. We also have the big GD Metla, Pasha Mailaram Pharma Industrial Estates. So from our side, we think that the pharma will continue to be a growth sector. The question is what's the future of the pharma sector? And I think our answer would be that yes, there is a lot of potential for it. Again, Andhra Pradesh as a state is a good place to do business. All of you are businessmen. You're all investors. Looking either to set up your greenfield units or brownfield expansion of your existing units, and we want to tell you that look, AP is a good place to invest. Many of you would be aware that the day before yesterday, at a ceremony in New Delhi, which was organized by Mint, the financial wing of Hindustan Times, and the Institute of Competitiveness, which is the associate of Michael Porter's Harvard unit of the Institute of Strategy and Competitiveness. Andhra Pradesh was awarded the prize of the most investment-driven economy in the country, the state which was awarded. The other states which got the awards were mostly related to either innovation or turnaround states like Madhya Pradesh, because it was not doing continuously well, and now it's doing well. So we really got the most prestigious award, which was the investment-driven economy. So it is a good place, recognized not only by this organization but by a number of other organizations. So we're really happy that organizes this seminar. It's a key sector for us. We have the Pharmexcel located in Hyderabad, the Pharmaceutical Export Council of India. The challenges are there. We know that, given how some patent laws impact us, how certain standards, international standards impact our production, because we know that the pharma sector is not homogeneous, uniform kind of a thing. You have, like I said, bulk drugs, intermediaries, standard antibiotics, standard drugs, again, AIDS control drugs, cancer fighting drugs. So each of them has a different strategy. You can't adopt a standard strategy for across the board, and each of them has a different strategy. So I do hope that today in this technical session some ideas come out. From the state, we are willing to do whatever it takes from our side to encourage the pharma industry to grow and thrive in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So let us have some ideas. We can talk about them later and make sure that Andhra continues to be the leader in the pharma sector, not only in our country, but also in the world. Thank you.